Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are sitting comfortably. Close your eyes. Rest your hands on your lap in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Do this breathing again a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. Picture yourself outside on a warm summer evening in a beautiful place. You are watching the sunset. You have the perfect view. The sky is just starting to fill with the most beautiful oranges and pinks. The sun's rays are warm and seem to be made of gold. Focus on your face for a moment. Imagine the warm light soaking into the skin of your face. Imagine your face feeling warm as the golden light shines upon you. Imagine the warmth now on your chest. Try to picture your chest lit up with golden sunlight. You feel safe and warm. Imagine the light tingling your skin as it shines on you. Imagine the golden light shining down on your arms now. Imagine it touching your shoulders, down your arms, to your elbows, down your forearm, to your wrists, and to your hands. Try to feel it there. Imagine the golden light now on your belly. Imagine your belly feeling warm and relaxed. The golden light slowly moves its way down your legs, starting at your thighs, and ever so slowly working its way down to your toes. Imagine your legs warming and relaxing. Now the golden sunlight begins to warm your feet. Enjoy a warm, tingling sensation there. Now, imagine soaking in as much of this golden sunlight as you can. Soak in the light through your whole body. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find the magic in your day.